Alright, so next up we're going to check the amplitude and see how that may or may not affect the period of the pendulum. So the amplitude, as you recall, is how wide, how large the cycle is. In this case, it's how far away from the equilibrium we start our pendulum bob. Okay? So once again, we want to make sure that our controls are all set. Make sure that's all centered. We're not going to put any mass on here. It's going to remain the same. And we are also going to keep it at 60 centimeters, or 0.6 meters. Okay? So this time Leo's going to release it. Okay, so go back to 10, which is like right there. Hold that. Stopwatch ready. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14.70. 14.8. Alright, now we're going to go to 15. And this is, we have a protractor up here. So our amplitude is being measured in degrees today. Right to there. Good. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15. Next is going to 20. Alright, right there. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. 15. Next up, 25. Going all the way. Okay. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15.1. And 30. All right, when you're ready, go. Go.
Is that good?
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14.9. All right, so maybe you've already come up with a claim. But if you take a look at our data here, I'll bring this up again. Feel free to pause the video here. 14.8, 15, 15, 15.1, 14.9. So we see that it doesn't really change. Think about why it doesn't change. That's something that you can include in your conclusion later on. And you know what? Let's just move along. We'll keep this video rolling. And we're going to do string lengths next. Okay? So we're going to change the length of the string here. So we'll start at...
I was about to say, wow, you did that fast, and then I realized you just grabbed a different board.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna start at 0.2. Okay, let me do these.
Okay.
Okay, nice job.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna start at 0.2, and we're gonna go with the same amplitude. So the mass is the same. We're not adding any washers, and we're gonna go with the same amplitude. We'll go to 30 because 30 is the most fun because it's the biggest. All right, so there we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8.4. 8.4 seconds. And we'll go down to 0.4.
Is this 0.4 inches?
Nope. 0.4 meters.
Oh.
So this whole thing is 1 meter. Because we're in
Okay.
science class, so we use, what's that system called, do you know?
The imperials?
Nope. The metric. Want to come over here, make sure I'm at 30?
Metric was what we used.
No, we use the customary. Am I at
Um,
30?
A little bit more. A little bit less. Teensy bit.
Alright, dude. We're not,
Perfect.
like, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12.1. Now we're going to go down to 0.6, which I bet you guys already know what that number is going to be because that's what we've been doing all the other ones at.
Less. 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 A little bit more. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14.8. Alright, well, how am I? Look at my my amplitude here.
Less. 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 Good.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 17.4. And almost all the way to the bottom.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 18.5.
That what?
Is this a 14?
Yeah.
You make that 4 a little more clear. Make some weird 4s. Alright, these things that look like Y's are actually 4s. Alright, so 8.4, 12.1, 14.8, 17.4, 18.5. All right, so fill out all your data tables and
wait.
carry on with the rest
Dad.
of the experiment.
What makes the pendulum so special? Like, why do we use it?
So what we're trying to figure out is where it's for experimental purposes, why it's special in clocks. Like we have the pendulum in one of our clocks, and the reason why it's good in clocks is because it does the same thing over and over and over. So it keeps time very well. What we were trying to do is to figure out which of these variables are going to have an effect on that period, which is how long it takes to go all the way across and all the way back. So what do you think? What do you think the effect was here?
It takes longer the longer we make the string, but what I wanted to know was why it continues to do it over and over and doesn't stop.
Oh, it would eventually stop. Like right now, it just stops.
Yeah, but why does it take so much longer than something usually would?
I don't know why. I don't know what you're comparing it to. But I'm going to stop you guys here. If you listen to what Leo said, he just gave you a claim that you might be able to use later on. So if you're still watching this, you got lucky.